Hey, how's everybody doing? It's a trade setup I just took. I want to share with you guys. It is another intraday reversal, and here's a picture of it drawn on PowerPoint from one of my mentors. And the pattern is pretty simple. You get a down move and a day or two of consolidation, big breakout to the opposite direction, pull back, and a bounce, and off it goes. Let's take a look at this chart, and let me show you what I took. The pair is the Aussie dollar JPY, and here's the move. You have 2 days of a down move, nice momentum move down here, and you get 1 day of sideways movement or consolidation day. Basically what we've got is a price moves into a range. Basically what we wait for is either a breakout to the downside, which is a continuation of this move, or we look for a breakout to the upside, which is an intraday reversal. You can see price down, sideways, move back up. So move again, down move, sideways, wait for the breakout. There's the breakout, pull back, continuation. Let's look at this a little bit closer. Alright, you see it pretty clear here. Nice down day, or a nice movement to the downside here. And what is kind of a hint here, guys, is you get a double bottom here, which shows some exhaustion. And in this case, we actually had a triple bottom and a double top on this one. So it's really easy to define our range. And then we just wait. Another key here is start to score these higher swing lows, and price fails to come back down here again. So there's the breakout. Nice big momentum candles, 2 of them. One here, this was news related this morning from pretty decent Aussie news and China news. So again, we just wait for the pullback right here, and we look for the bounce right here. How do we look for the bounce? Well, the particular system I use is we zoom into the 15-minute, and we wait for a bounce signal here. We wait for our first bounce signal right here. So you can see how price was flip-flopping. Big momentum breakout, pullback, wait for the first signal. Actually, if you guys who trade this system, if you miss the first signal, there's a second chance to it right there. So what I expect is a nice big move up. This point right here will be my first take profit. Okay, and then we'll let the rest of this run to round numbers. This is a 101.50 or the average daily range projection. This particular pair right now has a daily average of about 121 pips, and so far from top to bottom it's moved 82, so there's a lot of room up here for this to move. Another good telltale sign on this is on the longer time frames. This red line here is our daily trend line right here. Let me show you on the daily chart. You can see we've got this daily trend line. Let me zoom out here a little bit and see it. Okay, starting way back here, bouncing, 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 bounced again. Now we're back on it again. So this may be price getting ready to give us a nice big push up to try to break this monthly line right here, up around 104.50 level. We'll see. We'll see. So there's a trade I'm in right now. I took the trade 15-minute off of this signal here. Stop loss about 5 or 10 pips below this bounce point right here. That's where I took the trade. So 10 pips below stop loss. 5 pips, depending on how aggressive you are. I've been a little more conservative because what's been happening, I've seen intraday, is the market has had a tendency to push down here, take out stop losses, and then you miss the move. So I'm being a little bit more conservative, and I've gone from 5 pips to 7, 8, even as high as 10 pips. On this one, I moved my stop loss down. Yeah, it's 10 pips. If I see this take off real good, I'll bump it up a little bit and shrink my risk some on it if it gets a good momentum push on it. So there's the trade. It's intraday reversal move. Show it to you one more time. Down move. Sideways. Break out to the opposite direction. Wait for the pullback. Test former resistance. Now may work as support and look for the bounce. That's the move, guys. See you later.